Flipper Dave here, and today I'm knocking something out of my honey-do list. My wife loves gold, gold mirrors, gold picture frames, flower pots, you name it. If it's metal, she wants a gold in the house. So today I'm going to be replacing our hall bathroom faucet with a gold one, and it's going to complete the look that she wants in her bathroom, and it's going to be quick and simple. Let's go. Alright, so I've got the bathroom light off because my exhaust fan is obnoxiously loud and you wouldn't be able to hear anything if I had it on, so bear with me. So, first thing you're going to want to do before any plumbing job is turn off your water supplies. Alright, next I'm just inserting some sort of tray down here to catch any residual water from the supply lines when I take them off. And then you can use a crescent wrench or pair of channel locks and remove these supply lines. I'll see if I get a better angle for you. It's going to be up in here behind the sink. Alright, so there's one of the supply lines. Go ahead and take it off. Alright, we've got both the lines off. Now we're going to take these two black nuts, we're going to run them off, and then the faucet should pop right out. Alright, here were the two plastic nuts on the bottom of the sink. So now we're going to pull the faucet up, just like that. There will be a little arm through here if you have a manual plunger. So you're just going to want to slide this clip up, and then the plastic arm should slide right out, and then the whole thing comes like that. Alright, now we're just going to clean this up. Not too bad, no gasket material stay behind, so we're just going to clean that up with some soap and water. Get it nice and clean, and then we'll be ready to mount our new faucet. First, we're going to take this flange off, and then we're going to take this off. Alright, popped it out of the P-trap. Alright, now I came up here and I popped the stopper out, and then this flange twists right off. Gonna go down and hold the bottom. Now we've got our piece out, put that in the pan, and then we'll pull that out. Now we have a bare sink where we can mount our new faucet and our new stopper. Alright, now we're ready to install our new gold stopper and drain system. Okay, so I've disassembled it. I've taken the top piece out, and I've taken the flange and the flange gasket off the bottom. And I have my top gasket here, and I'm going to drop it straight down through the sink. Just like that. Now if you ever get confused, if your model is slightly different, they all come with instructions. So go back to your instructions and read exactly what your brand and your model wants you to do. This is a Kohler, and I'm doing what these instructions say to do. Alright, now I've got my flange gasket in my flange. This one, it wants the small side up against the sink. I'm going to go ahead and install that. Go up above the sink and hold it flat so it keeps popping up on you. To pull it up so I can get the flange nut on there. Now we're going to take our P-trap, flange nut, and remember to get our gasket. We're going to put it on here. Oop, I am upside down. Alright, there we go. sure I got our gasket seated. Probably should have left the top part loose for this, but alright, now we can go ahead with our flange nut on the bottom. Alright, now we can go up top and put our brand new stopper in. There we go. Alright, let's get the faucet in. Alright, we've got a new faucet. Got some Teflon tape on there. Got our gasket. Go ahead and just put it through the hole. And go underneath and put on a nut. Alright, so now you see I have one there and I don't have the other one on. See how it's popped up? Watch the nut sink the faucet down flush with the sink. And you want to do this evenly so your gasket compresses evenly. Alright, there you go. Alright, now all we gotta do is connect our cold line and our hot line, turn the water back on, and we'll test it out.
The sink matches the rest of the bathroom, and I think it turned out awesome. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe.